PAL Tech Hub, empowering innovators.
This is our first session with our AI training bootcamp, basic training, presented by me, engineer Sadada Hasacha. I work with PAL Tech Hub, a company that provides training services, all IT training services. It provides all IT services, cloud computing, them web development, software development. You could always reach out to us on our website, that is at powtechhub.com. Then on all our social media handles at powtechhub. Yeah. So in our session today, we are building the first project. This simple presentation is going to just show you what you're supposed to do during the project. Okay. So first, you have to have a plan down. So you have to learn the project development process, what you're gonna, do to start your project. Then you're going to choose the type, the project of the type of the project. Then you're going to follow the step-by-step guidance that will be provided in a PDF document that I'll provide, and you build your AI application. So basically, I'll be building something that is going to involve AI because our training has been AI basics. At the end of the training, we need to know that you've at least understood something about AI. So the whole plan is to build something that is either integrated with AI, things like chatbots or things like that. So you have to prepare, showcase, and all the things. You send in your project, so I will see. So the AI project workflow, you define the problem, what needs to be solved. So first you start with the problem. What are you trying to solve? Then you plan the solution, how AI will work or will help. Then you gather or prepare the data, what we need, the data we're going to use to train the AI and all of that. Then we choose the tools or platforms, what we'll use, and we build and train. So create the solution. We test, refine, does it work well? Then we document and share. The next part is choosing the project. Here you may have 3 opinions today. So we can choose the following projects. 1, the image classifier. So this I'm seeing for practical session. It will be presented separately, but we are going to be using the teachable machine. We are going to have the image classifier. Basically, we are going to teach a machine how to identify images. Okay, we can have these 3. So this may be part of your choosing. So you can choose from these 3. Image classifier. You can choose a teachable machine, teach them about classifying images, then simple chatbot for various platforms, then content generator using APIs, AI APIs, and all of that. So you can pick based on your interest from these 3 categories or options you have. Then the project option. The project option, you can have a custom, as I've mentioned them up there. Custom image classifier, simple chatbot, then content generation. Then define the problem to answer. What problem are you solving? Who will use this application or this kind of solution? Should it do? How will you know if it's successful? What is the minimum viable product? So this may take like 10 seconds, right? Something like that. Write this down if you're following, or you can use the recording later on. Then you plan your solution, you plan your design solution, your solution design of your project. What inputs does it need? If there's money or something like that, what you need if there is to buy other resources, what is it needed? This is all part of the plan. Then what outputs should it provide? What data do you need to collect to train it? What tools or platform will you use? How will users interact with it? This is part of the UI and all of that. These are questions you have to ask and have answers with. So with that kind of plan, when you follow and answer those questions, you can always have a successful project. And following, I'll provide a guide for the classifier, the image classifier, with a document. I will do the project. I will share the PDF with you guys so you can try and follow. Okay. For now, thank you and have a good one.